Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. I did want to release this earnings video just because I'm gonna start these back up and I'm gonna start doing more news and stuff like that for stocks. Because I know I stopped for a little bit and I've just been doing TA every day on SPY, but I'm gonna go back to doing news and earnings videos for basically all of our stocks, right? I really don't care about anything else. The most important one that I'm looking for is going to be FedEx, right? FedEx and Nike are going to be a really good way to know where retail is actually headed, right? For the other ones, I really don't care too much. CarMax will probably be very important. If CarMax has really bad earnings, Carvana will probably dump even further. So look out for that. But really what I'm looking for is FedEx and Nike. Can care less about anything else. FedEx can give us a really good idea of where the logistics of the market, or for retail, where that's actually going to be going in the next, possibly for Q1, Q2, whatever, the next maybe 6 months or so. They can give us a really good idea. And then Nike would be a really good idea where the like the high end premium general retail is going to be at, right? So if Nike does well, you generally have Tesla do well. You generally have, and then you have things like Walmart, Target, and Amazon start doing well because of retail, right? So Nike would be a really, really good way of, looking at retail and for the next couple of months or so. And again, FedEx, again, same thing. FedEx will be a really good way of telling us, as far as logistics go, how much is actually being shipped. But apart from everything else, I mean, everything else is cool. CarMax is, again, probably a really good indicator of a possible, further drop down for Carvana. Other than that, I don't really care about anything else. I think Nike and FedEx are going to be the most important. But these are going to be, I'm getting this image from Reddit directly, right? So these are going to be your most important earnings, I think, and for the upcoming week. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.